Hey everyone! The Anbernic RG Vita Pro represents Anbernic's latest attempt to push its handheld gaming lineup closer to the capabilities of modern portable consoles while still maintaining the brand's strong focus on retro gaming and emulation. Over the past few years, Anbernic has built a reputation among enthusiasts for producing well-designed handhelds that blend nostalgic gaming experiences with modern hardware and software flexibility. One of the most interesting aspects of the RG Vita Pro is its dual operating system design. Unlike many previous handhelds from the company, this device will ship with both Android 14 and a 64-bit Linux operating system. This dual OS approach gives users the freedom to choose the environment that best fits their gaming style. Android allows easy access to mobile games, streaming services, and popular emulation apps, while the Linux system provides a more traditional retro handheld experience with optimized emulators and simplified navigation. The hardware inside the RG Vita Pro appears capable of handling a broad spectrum of gaming workloads. These types of games typically require relatively strong hardware for smooth gameplay, indicating that the RG Vita Pro should be more powerful than many of Anbernic's earlier handhelds. Retro gaming enthusiasts will also appreciate the device's wide compatibility with older systems. According to available information, the handheld is capable of emulating consoles such as the Nintendo Wii, Nintendo 3DS, Nintendo 64, Nintendo GameCube, PlayStation, and Sega Dreamcast. This level of compatibility effectively turns the device into a portable library of gaming history, allowing players to revisit titles spanning several generations of consoles. The display also appears to be a strong point. The handheld features a 5.5-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is a sharp and vibrant panel for a device of this size. The full HD resolution ensures that modern Android games and emulated titles alike will look crisp and detailed. Battery life is supported by a 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide several hours of gaming depending on the workload and screen brightness. For retro gaming and lighter emulation, the device will likely last longer, while more demanding Android titles or high-end emulation could reduce runtime somewhat. Connectivity options also appear to be modern and well-equipped. The RG Vita Pro includes Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless networking and lower latency, which can be beneficial for cloud gaming or streaming games from a PC. Bluetooth 5.0 support enables connection with wireless headphones, controllers, or other accessories. In terms of design, the RG Vita Pro maintains a familiar handheld layout with integrated controls optimized for gaming. The device will be available in black and white color options, giving it a clean and modern appearance that fits well within Anbernic's design language. Overall, the Anbernic RG Vita Pro appears to be shaping up as one of the company's most ambitious handheld gaming devices so far. By combining dual operating system flexibility, strong emulation capabilities, support for modern Android games, and features like external display output and PC game streaming, it aims to serve both retro gaming enthusiasts and players looking for a versatile portable console. If the performance seen in early demonstrations holds up in real-world use, the RG Vita Pro could become a very appealing option for gamers who want a single handheld capable of handling everything from classic console titles to modern mobile games. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.